In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create rules in Jira. Jira is a powerful tool that helps teams manage their tasks and projects efficiently. Automations can save you and your team a lot of time by running specific actions when certain conditions are met. Let's dive right into how you can set up these automations seamlessly. First, you'll want to navigate to the settings in the top right corner of your Jira dashboard. This is where you can select System to access your automation options. Under the Automation section, click on Global Automation. This area is your command center for setting up automated rules across your Jira projects. Once you're there, go ahead and hit the Create Rule button. This will allow you to start the process of building a new automation rule. The first key component of any rule you create is the trigger. Triggers are events that will start your automation. You have several options here, and picking the right one depends on what your team needs. For instance, choosing Issue Created as your trigger means an automation rule will kick off every time a new issue is created in your project. Alternatively, Issue Transitioned can be selected if you want the rule to trigger whenever an issue changes status. Or you might pick Field Value Changed if you need the rule to activate when a specific field, such as priority, is updated. Next up, you have the option to add a condition. While this step is optional, it gives you more control over when your rule should really kick in. A condition acts as a filter so that the automation only runs under certain circumstances. Want the rule to apply only to certain types of issues like bugs, tasks, or stories? Then you'll use the issue type condition. Maybe you'll want the rule to execute only if a particular user updates the issue. In that case, the user condition is what you need. You might also choose field value condition if, for example, you only want your rule to run if the priority of an issue is set to high. Now onto the meat of your automation setup, defining the action. Actions dictate what Jira will actually do when the trigger and conditions are satisfied. For example, you might want to automatically assign issue to a specific user or team, send notifications to a Slack channel or via email, or transition issue to another status like done. Think about what will best streamline your workflow and select the corresponding actions. Finally, once your trigger, conditions, and actions are all set to your satisfaction, make sure to click Turn on Rule. But don't stop there. It's crucial to test your rule to ensure it's working as expected. You can do this by performing the action that would trigger it, for instance, moving an issue to In Progress. And there you have it, your rule is set up and ready to make your Jira management a breeze.